Section formula: internal division. Now if a point x comma y divides the line segment joining points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 internally. It means if there are 2 points x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 and a point x comma y divides the line joining these points A and B in m1 ratio m2. If a point x comma y divides the line segment joining point internally in m1 ratio m2, then x equal m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 and y equal m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. It is formula for internal division. Now for external division, if a point x comma y divides the line segment joining point x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 in the ratio m1 ratio m2 externally. Means if there are 2 points A and B, coordinate of point A is x1 comma y1 and point B is x2 comma y2, and a point x comma y, that it is C point x comma y, divides the line segment joining AB in m1, means it is m1 ratio m2. Then value of x is m1 x2 minus m2 x1 by m1 minus m2 and y is m1 y2 minus m2 y1 by m1 minus m2. Now if formula for midpoint, let it is 2 point x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, and point M is the midpoint of AB. Since it is the midpoint, then it divides the line segment AB in equal ratio. Let it is M means M1 and M2 both are M. Then coordinate of point M, if coordinate of point M is x comma y, then x equal by internal division formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Since both m1 and m2 are equal, then it is mx2 plus mx1 by m plus m. We have x equal m common, and the value of x is x1 plus x2 by 2. Similarly, value of y is y1 plus y2 by 2. Then coordinate of midpoint of midpoint of coordinate of the midpoint of the line segment joining point x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Area of triangle, if point x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 and x3 comma y3 are the vertices of a triangle, means it is a triangle and value of A is x1 comma y1, B is x2 comma y2 and C is x3 comma y3. Then area of triangle is given by the formula delta equal, or area of triangle equal 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 if these points x1 comma y1 comma x2 comma y2 and x3 comma y3 are collinear, then area of triangle is equal to 0. Means if points are collinear, then we cannot make a triangle using these points. Then area of triangle is equal to 0. We have x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 0, and we have the formula x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1, and it is the formula for condition for collinearity of 3 points, and it is the formula of area of triangle. Now centroid of triangle. If x comma y if point x comma y is the centroid of triangle whose vertices are x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 and x3 comma y3, means it is a triangle x1 comma y1, B point is x2 comma y2 and C is x3 comma y3, and its centroid is point x comma y. We know that the centroid is the intersection point of the medians of a triangle. Then x is equal x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y is equal y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. It is formula for centroid of a triangle.